Superintendent Kirk Koennecke from Indian Hill here at our high school with Murda Smith on Field Trip Friday. We're here to talk about STEM and robotics. Murda, you're a STEM teacher, world class, nationally recognized, and you've got world-class students who are working on activities outside of your regular classroom program with our robotics teams. Tell us what that's like for them.
It's a great opportunity for the students to use the things they've been learning in class. We teach them the design process and brainstorming and troubleshooting, and on the robotics field, all that stuff comes into play. They design a robot, they test it out, and then they've got to tweak it to make it do whatever is supposed to be done in the competition.
Tell us about some of the specifics of the competitions and how they work and what the students have to do from a technical standpoint.
The students have to design, build, and test a robot that'll maneuver through an obstacle course. At the competition, they'll be teamed with another school, and the pair will compete against another pair to try and score more points. So they've got to be able to communicate, come up with a strategy for how they're going to score. They've got to be able to troubleshoot on the fly. They've got to work together as a team if something goes wrong, or if they're trying to solve a problem and come up with a strategy to beat the other team. So they've got a lot of soft skills that come along with programming and building a bot to maneuver through the challenge.
I'm here with some of our world-class robotics competitors. Guys, tell me what it was like to go through like a world-level competition in robotics.
Yeah, so it was a one-in-a-lifetime experience for us, and we hope to be there this year again. And one of the things that we have not seen in the past is actually been with students from all over the world and competing in a competition that is very different from what we normally do due to COVID. But it was a great experience overall.
What was the intensity like as you got ready to compete?
It was really intense in the beginning because we wanted to be sure that our robot could actually function at a way that would compete on an international level. So it took a lot of time to get everything right and prepared just for the competition.
And how did you feel about your team when you were done with the competition?
So we were a little bit disappointed when we didn't make it past the finals, but we were proud of our achievements and what we've done to get to this point.
I'm here with Sanuka and Sophia. So tell me, you're involved now in the robotics program, and we talk about robotics as kind of an equity gateway for all students and all learners. What's it mean to you to be involved in this team?
It means everything to me to be a part of robotics. Through robotics, I've learned how much I love STEM and engineering, and through robotics, I've been able to learn more about how to build things and what it really means to be an engineer, and how to overcome struggles and persevere.
Yeah, I've also liked the experiences we've gained through joining the robotics club. We get to help lots of the freshmen and new robotics club members, and just teaching them based on our experiences, like in the past, some of our teams going to Worlds and qualifying high in states. That is just being able to help them on those experiences is a great thing.
Building and creating their own future just inspires me like I know it does our teacher, Murda Smith. Thank you both for being with us today.